If you're looking for the best rated air fryers, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular Cosori Air Fryer Max XL. Critically acclaimed, Cosori Premium Air Fryer, Red Dot Award, 2019, features 13 one-touch cooking functions and rapid 360 degrees air circulation to provide crispy results using less oil. Less oil. The air fryer uses up to 85% less oil than traditional deep frying methods while maintaining the same delicious taste, making it the perfect gift for family members and friends. Large capacity. The air fryer's spacious 5.8 quart square baskets can fit a whole 5-pound chicken. Additionally, the corner spaces provide more cooking footprint and flexibility than round designs. Cook the perfect amount of food for 3 to 5 people in one go. 13 cooking functions, 11 presets, preheat and keep warm help you cook meat, veggies, desserts, and more to perfection. Just choose your preset with one easy tap and you're ready to cook. You can also set temperature and cook time for personal recipes. Safe materials. The removable, non-stick baskets are dishwasher safe, PFOA-free, and BPA-free. To find additional and replacement accessories for your air fryer, search for C158-6AC and C158FB. 100 included recipes. Find inspiration for every meal with 100 original, Cosori chef-created recipes. Convenient design. The air fryer produces crispy results in less time than a conventional oven and includes a shake reminder function. Preheat the air fryer before adding your ingredients for improved texture. Fully certified, the air fryer is ETL listed and has a power rating of 120V/1700W and a temperature range of 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Please note that this voltage only applies to the US and Canada. California roots. Based in California, Cosori is proud to call the Golden State our home. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Air Fryer. For IN1 functionality, air fry, bake, roast and reheat. One-touch smart programs, customizable cooking programs for easy chicken wings, roasted veggies, cinnamon buns and more. Even crisp technology, delivering all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with 95% less oil. Easy to use display, touchscreen shows each stage of cooking. Easy cleanup, non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. Fast preheating, little to no preheating time. Adjustable temperature, easily select temperatures from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect size, holds enough food for growing families, preparing side dishes and appetizers. Compact design and stainless steel accents, perfectly combines function and style in a countertop-friendly size. Proven safety features, built-in safety features including overheat protection and auto-off. Number 3. Instant Vortex Pro 10 Quart Air Fryer. 9-in-1 functionality, air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate, roast, proof, toast, reheat and rotisserie. One-touch smart programs, customizable cooking programs for easy chicken wings, roasted veggies, cinnamon buns and more. Even crisp technology, delivering all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with 95% less oil. See your food cook. The glass panel on the oven door takes out the guesswork out of air frying and cooking. Versatile countertop air fryer toaster oven. Cook perfect rotisserie oven meals or proof dough, bake and toast all in one place. Fast preheating, little to no preheating time. Adjustable temperature, easily select temperatures from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect size, holds enough food for growing families, preparing side dishes and appetizers. Proven safety features, built-in safety features including overheat protection and auto-off. Included accessories, rotisserie basket, rotisserie lift, rotisserie spit, rotisserie forks, drip tray 2, perforated pans. Number 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Capacity, 0.6 cubic ft interior. Features: adjustable thermostat with 60-minute timer, auto shut-off, toast shade selector. Additional functions: bake, broil, convection bake, convection broil, toast, warm. Most air fryers have a basket design, but the Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven does things differently. This unique appliance is actually a full-sized toaster oven that's equipped with air frying capabilities as well. It has 7 cooking functions, including air fry, convection bake, convection broil, warming, toasting and more. This air fryer and toaster oven combo has a wide temperature range of 80 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can accommodate up to 3 pounds of food at a time, including a 12-inch pizza. With your purchase, you get an oven rack, baking pan and air fryer basket, and you're sure to be impressed with its whisper-quiet operation. Plus, the sleek stainless steel exterior will look attractive as part of your kitchen decor. Number 5. Amazon Basics 3.2 Quart Compact Multifunctional Air Fry. Capacity: 3.2 quarts or 3 liters. Features: timer, automatic shut-off and rubber non-slip feet. Additional functions: air fry, bake, grill and roast. Air fryers can be expensive, but it's possible to find a high-quality one at an affordable price point. This 1,400-watt air fryer from Amazon Basics can make crispy fried food in minutes using very little cooking oil. For those not familiar with how to use an air fryer, it comes with a cooking manual about using the device and how to cook popular foods such as potatoes, fries, etc. Featuring a detachable, non-stick air frying basket, it's easy to clean and get food out of when mealtime approaches. And if you're not happy with your air fryer for any reason, Amazon offers free returns for items and new and in used condition. Number 6. Ninja DZ201 Footy 6-in-1 2-basket air fryer. Capacity: 8 quarts. Features: easy-to-use control panel, non-stick crisper plates and dual-zone technology. Additional functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, heat and dehydrate. Air fryers are quick, but in most cases, you have to wait until one food is finished cooking until you can put the other in. However, with this Ninja air fryer, there are 2 baskets that can be used at the same time. With dual-zone technology and a smart finish feature, you can set each basket to a separate temperature and have each component of your meal ready at the same time. There's also Match Cook button to easily transfer the settings to the other basket, if necessary. For reference, each 4-quart basket can hold 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. The 6 customizable programs, air fry, air broil, roast, bake, heat and dehydrate, provide numerous options for cooking foods of all sorts in a single unit, and the temperature on this air fryer ranges from 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. When you're all done cooking, pop the crisper plates into the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way,